modification to this, instead of the board sizes, where everything, including the poles and this, all went down. So instead of the board that we had before was supposed to be about 1 foot 5 inches, something like that. We got it down to this smaller board. This we got 4 and turned it into 3. Then you get pre-cut plexiglass because you can't really cut plexiglass very easily. The liquid nails glue, it was not, we didn't use it at first, so we changed that. And the Velcro straps, we were supposed to use Velcro first, we were supposed to use just regular straps. This saw, we had changed this skill saw to this, and so that's the first thing. For step 3, you have to take the remaining 2 poles and mark them out to 16 inches, and then you're going to saw that part off into 4 different pieces for that. So for the 4th step, you're going to take the board. We have it marked out already to the correct dimensions to be 2 inches by 1 foot. So you have to do that twice. Now this can actually change depending on the foot size. The modification to this, again, we did not originally start out with a board that was this size in mind. And the other thing is that we thought we were going to use a scale saw for this, but instead we're using the poking saw. This is the next step. So we have the hardest nail glue, and what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to spread it across and on here, and you take it and put it. Then you take Velcro strap, go about an inch out, lay it across the board, keep your plexiglass sheets, and lay the 2 together. So then you have the plexiglass sheets with a wooden board glued onto it. Yeah, you need to put the sit, basically. Got it. Okay. Okay, so for the next few steps, you're going to again need glue and sticks. So you take the pre-cut sticks that you have, and you take the 9.5-inch one, and you're going to put a bit of glue. Well, you're gonna have to get some glue on the stick itself. There's going to be a ton. And then you're going to stick it down. So you might want to get the excess glue off. Probably be helpful. And then you have your other 16-inch sticks. Just use one of those to get the extra glue off. I've got some excess glue just right here because this thing won't stop leaking ever. You're going to, this is the next step, but we're just going to combine them for now. It's not really a modification, but it's just, yeah. So you're going to stick this part down on the side, and then you're going to do that for the rest of them. Here, 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 and there. That's that part. So this is basically the finished product, even though it's not really dry. The newspaper is not needed, it's just kind of there to protect the ground from getting destroyed. So the modifications in general make this is the wood type, how big it was, the Velcro straps. We had to add the gun because I wasn't aware that we needed the gun to use that, the type of glue. We actually had to go to 2 different guns for our case because one of them didn't work. And then the skill saw, we had to change it out to the other kind of saw. And basically that's, yeah. So finished products, the only thing that's left to do now is to test it, but we're going to explain that in the evaluate. So.